All right, guys, since my other videos were so short, it's going to be a two-part video. Let me talk about this right here. Since I'm going to graduation, and I got some students that's graduating, they're getting their associates. And come back, buddy. They're getting their associates in building construction. So I get it, guys. This right here is, guys, I'll be honest with you, man. I'm trying to, this right here is probably going to be aimed toward African Americans. African Americans in education. Guys, what's more important? What's more important? Your degree or you being able to provide for yourself and go out here and create a system to be able to make money on your own without you having to go get a job. Come on, buddy. What's more important? This is what I'm trying to figure out, guys. For some reason, we value degrees so much to the point that I'm almost at the point. Come on, man. I'm almost at the point, guys. Well, I almost feel like we need to stop getting all these degrees because, we're not getting them. It's almost like we're getting them to brag about it, or to talk about it, or to let it be a discussion at a family reunion or family gathering or something. I got this degree, I got that degree. Instead of it being a tool that we use to build ourselves, or a tool that we use to gain the knowledge to go out here and become self-reliant and self-sufficient. This is what I think, guys. I don't know what's going on, but, and I'm not saying this aimed at my students, guys. I'm just saying this because I see a lot of this right here going on. People would call me and say, hey, I'm interested in a degree in the building. When they call me and they want to, they talking about, hey, I want to go get my, building certificate or short certificate or associate's degree or whatever. When they call me, I vet them. I say, well, what is it that you want to do? What are you trying to do? What kind of money are you trying to, what are you trying to do? And in some cases, man, these guys don't know. They just talking. So, I don't know, man. We got to figure this thing out, man. It's starting to be very taxing on my brain that we're out here getting all these degrees and we're not applying them. We're not applying the knowledge that we learned. We're just kind of there. I think we need to, guys, I would rather you just be there and have that first thought than to just come in here and just get a degree just because you want to get a degree, just because you talk about it. This is why I tell my guys that try to come through my program, I say, hey, look, guys, what you should do is take a few courses. Let me teach you a couple of trades. And let's see if you can take those trades or whatever it is that you're interested in, and you go out there and you go make money doing it. Now, if you just got to keep taking courses, that's fine. You got to, if you have a thirst for knowledge and you want to keep taking courses, and, by the time your thirst gets over with, then you almost at the end of the program, and I say, hey, go ahead and take a couple of classes on associates or whatever. But guys, we got to get out of this mindset, especially in the African American community, of just getting degrees because you got a degree and you can show people. I'm looking at this graduation thing, seeing all these people graduating and stuff like that, because it's that time of the year. What's the point in graduating, man? AI is taking a lot of the jobs. I'm not saying it's taking all the jobs, but what's the point? So let's get a thirst for knowledge. If you're going to go to school, get that thirst to go out there and use that to be self-reliant and build yourself and make your own money. You know, in some cases, the heck with trying to go find a job. Create your own. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and once again, this is the way.